Today I have a '09 Lexus is250, and I believe is350 is the same. Got a code P0348, which is a bank 2 camshaft position sensor. Sensor A, I believe it's this one right here, intake side, and this is banky to the driver side, and that one is the exhaust side. So bank one would be the passenger side, and passenger side bank one, I believe this one is A, also the intake side, and that one is B, the exhaust side. But the one I have, the code is, I believe, this sensor right here, and the customer says after he replaced the alternator, he started getting this code. So if you haven't had this problem before, this means he pulled the wire or something. So that's what I'm going to look for. So you can see this one right here is naked. Let's check our sensor first. To the teeth. Well, I can see, but I can't. It's blurry. This is good. Let's look for the wiring. Looks okay. I see something different in here. Oh, got it. This is the problem right here. Oh, it's easy fix. Yep, that is it. So that's it. If you have any questions, just comment below. Please like and subscribe for more videos.